Well, guys, sooner or later this was going to happen. So, molten copper, and yes, I again bought a bulletproof glass. This time smaller and only double, but still, it is a bulletproof glass. Let's start melting copper. Today there will be a lot of it, almost 10 kilograms. So be ready for some really hot slow motion. You know that safety is first of all for me, so check our setup. We have everything to be as far as possible from the place where everything gonna happen. And also today we got another camera right under the glass. And since everything seems to be ready, let's get started. Oh man, this thing is really heavy today. I'm ready. Guys, it was an incredible slow motion. It seems the most beautiful I have ever made. But let's check the glass. See, this polycarbonate layer burned only from one side, and the glass cracked because of the heat. But on the other side of the glass, it is still smooth without cracks. See? Well, now let's check if the glass can withstand a hammer impact after that lava challenge. Ready? Holy, just because the first layer of polycarbonate was broken, the glass was folded in half. You saw it all yourself. Guys, for the next bulletproof glass video, I have something really interesting. So turn on that bell so you will be the first to watch it. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.